Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to merge objects in Bambu Studio. So let's get straight into it. Now I will show you the best for positioning parts first. So quick way to do that. Import or drag your 3D models you want to combine onto your build plate. So I have these two dinosaurs right over here. Now what we are going to do is click and drag a box over all the objects. So how we do that is simply press Shift key on your keyboard and then just left button on your mouse. You will see this dotted box right here, and just like that we have now selected both objects. You see that they are both highlighted. Now right click anywhere on one of the selected objects, and you will see somewhere here the option. You will see here assemble or merge. So we have here the first one, merge. What we need to do is just simply click this merge, and let's see what happens. Now you see that they are both, if I press on one object, they are highlighted both. So we can also do that and basically change the settings from merge to split. So as you can see here, split two objects. So if we do that, now we have separate objects. So this is how we can merge objects in Bambu Studio. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in